Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today's recipes are super quick, beginner friendly and perfect for busy mornings. Busy mornings, no batter with you, don't worry. You can make these 3 breakfast recipes in just 10 minutes. Very tasty. In a bowl, take 1 cup of rava, that is Upma rava, sooji or semolina. Then to it I am adding half a cup of curd. This is homemade curd. It can be even 1 day old, slightly sour is better. Add salt to taste and give it all a good mix. Add more water as required, another half cup or 3/4 cup. Mix it very well without any lumps. Cover it and keep it aside for 10 minutes. It is 10 minutes now. See, the sooji has absorbed the water. I am adding a little more water just to adjust the consistency. So another half cup I have added. This should be okay. This consistency should be fine. To this I am adding some fresh coriander, 1 green chilli which I have chopped. Add some carrot and finely chopped onions also. And mix everything well together. Heat a tawa. See, the batter should be slightly thick, not as dilute like dosa batter. And take out the required quantity. Spread it out. It again can be slightly thick, need not be very thin. Now drizzle a little oil or ghee around the edges and allow it to cook. Cook it over a medium flame. When it is done on one side, gently flip it over. Drizzle a little bit of oil on this side too and cook it well on the other side also. And this side is also cooked. You can remove it from the tawa. Your lovely vegetable rava uttapam ready. Now we will make a bread upma. Very simple recipe. I have taken 4 slices of bread. You take whichever one you have at home. I have this brown bread, so I have taken, and just cut it into cubes. Now heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan and add some mustard seeds. I like to add some urad dal for the extra crunch. 1 green chilli chopped and 1 onion. A few curry leaves. Now saute everything well together till the onions change color a little bit. Add salt to taste. After a few minutes, when the onions become translucent, add in 1 small ripe red tomato, also chopped. A tablespoon of grated carrot. This is optional. Carrot, peas, whatever you have is optional, or just onion and tomato also will do. Just wait till the tomatoes become nice and soft. We can also add some turmeric powder. and just a little bit of chilli powder. We don't want to make it very spicy, but just for the taste. When the tomatoes become nice and soft, now we'll add in our chopped bread slices. See, this does not need much time, but it is healthy and filling too. Simple and easy to make with just available ingredients at home. Mix everything very well so that all the bread cubes are coated with the masala. Keep the flame low. See, when all the bread cubes are well coated with the masala, finally add in some fresh coriander leaves on top, and you have a very, very tasty, simple breakfast ready in less than 10 minutes. Simple and tasty bread upma is ready. Next we'll make a vegetable Semiya upma. Today I am using this roasted Semiya. If you don't have the roasted Semiya, then first dry roast the Semiya lightly, then we can use this. Now add some mustard seeds, 1 green chilli, a sprig of curry leaves, 1 onion finely chopped. Stir fry everything well together. Also add in about 1/4 cup of carrots and 1/4 cup of beans, French beans. Here I have some frozen peas, about 1 or 2 tablespoons you can add if you have. Saute everything well together till the vegetables are nearly done. You can add some salt while cooking the vegetables. When the vegetables are about 50% done, add water to this. Now this is hot water I have taken. I am adding 1.5 cups. Keep the flame low, let it once again come to a boil and let the vegetables get completely cooked. I had just covered it so that it will cook faster. Now the vegetables are nearly done. Add in your roasted Semiya. I have taken 1 cup. Give it a good mix and let it again cook till all the water is absorbed. Meanwhile, I will make some coconut chutney. It will go both with Upma and Uttapam. So fresh grated coconut, this roasted gram or chutney dal, green chillies and salt. Today I am making a very simple chutney. Add a little water and grind it into a chutney. Our chutney is ground and ready. This is just the bowl in which I had whisked the curd, so no problem. We can use that only. For tempering the chutney, heat a teaspoon of oil. Add some mustard seeds, urad dal, one dry red chilli, when the dals are browned, add a few curry leaves and switch it off. Now pour this tempering on top of the chutney. Let's have a look at our upma now. I had kept the flame on sim by the time I completed the chutney. See, most of the water has been absorbed. Only a little more remains to be absorbed. So I will wait a little while till all the water is absorbed and we get nice fluffy upma. See, the water has all been absorbed and we get nice fluffy upma. It is hot now, just wait till it cools down to room temperature and you can see how fluffy it is. We can switch it off and allow it to come down to room temperature. Our Semiya upma has cooled down to room temperature now and see how fluffy it has come without sticking to each other. See, very often beginners have the problem when they make Semiya upma and they say it sticks to each other and it becomes mushy. No problem, just 2 points you have to remember. Roast your Semiya, that is vermicelli, very well. Otherwise, use the roasted Semiya which is readily available in the market. Secondly, the proportion of water to Semiya. 1 Semiya, 1.5 water is what I have used. In addition to the vegetables also. So, slightly less than 1.5 also is okay if you are not using too many vegetables. These recipes are perfect for busy mornings. Do try them and tell me which one is your favorite. And we plan to do more in this series every week, giving you a set of recipes for breakfast which you can do in 10 minutes. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.